Welcome. In front of me is a FreeYond M6, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. That might be on the second page for you. Once you see this toggle, simply hold it the first time, and this quickly takes you to the settings. And here you can customize how the mode will function. I'm gonna touch upon one of the options right here, which I find very useful, and you might as well, which is the duration for quick settings. By default, when you tap on the toggle itself to enable it, it will run indefinitely, which isn't necessarily the most convenient thing, so I personally like to select it on a timer, make it something like 4 hours, and then whenever I tap on it, it will run for only the specified amount of hours. This gives me the peace of mind that if I forget about it, it won't be running forever in the background, or until I turn it off, but for the foreseeable 4 hours, at which point it's going to automatically turn off. So it's a pretty good option. Now, alternatively, you could select Ask Every Time, which whenever you tap on a toggle manually, it would bring up these two options every time for you to choose which one you want, and also allows you to change the timer. So if you want to, you could select, for instance, 1 hour, 2 hours, or however many you think you're going to need at a given moment when you're going to be enabling it. Obviously, you can go through all of these, customize them to your liking, and once you've done so, close this. You don't actually ever have to come back there again, as long as you don't want to change anything. And when you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on it. Now, because I have it set on a timer, it does give me the timer till which it's going to be running till, so that's also another handy feature. And like I said, I can turn it off myself before it. Additionally, if you want, you could also select or set up a schedule right here. So this would turn it on and off, your Do Not Disturb mode, automatically based on your parameters, which would refer to days of the week and start and end time. If you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure it is toggled on in here. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.